What's up, guys? So I have my buddy Steve over, and his whole family rode the BrainBlender. We broke it once, fixed it again, and everybody got a ride. Some of them got two. I'll put his link to his YouTube channel down in the description. It's Your Local Savage 396. But it was a good time. I wish I had a little bit more in-cab view from the skid steer, but I only got a couple of them. So check it out. Hit the like and subscribe button. Alright, thanks, man. Bye.
Oh, that's gonna be cool. You don't mind helping me get this up a little bit more? Just so it shows everything. We gotta...
So you know, but I'm gonna record this as well and put it on YouTube.
So, put it on your channel for once.
I'm gonna tag you in it.
There it goes. It's recording. Here we go. Whoa. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Oh! That was awesome!
What'd we break? Apparently, it rotates the other way sometimes too. Alright?
Woo! That was awesome!
Yeah, hold on, I gotta loosen these bolt stops. It'll go where it'll blow.
There you go.
I don't know, you Ollie, it's definitely gonna work. Probably gonna spin so fast, I'll be like, oops.
It's recording. Hey, Mom! Ready? Yeah. Woo! Woo! Hi! Woo! Good! Woo! 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 Oh. Doing good. Woo! Wow! Woo! Oh! Ooh, okay. There you go.
Okay, how do I get on this thing?
So just get on it. I'll help you. Turn back. Let me help you with the boots. You're gonna want the boots just like that.
I'm gonna. How should I do this?
One arm like that.
Well, I mean, like
One arm like that. Or one arm like this really tightly, and then just do that so you can get a little bit of content for his channel.
It looked like that.
Oh my gosh, how do I do this?
Put them on the bottom.
With your
Feels like I'm sitting in a NASCAR chair.
The thing is, Daddy!
There we you go. You're recording. All set.
Get ready,
Hold on,
Wyatt.
Wyatt.
Yeah.
Don't be scared. You can laugh about this.
Jesus fuck.
You alright?
Yeah. I believe so. Jesus
Are you
fuck.
feeling sick?
No.
Fuck yeah.
It'll hold you in tight. It's good.
He's like,
No, it's because it rained.
Just put it on the back and back up, cruise around town.
Perfect. I'll set down. You back up.
Good.
I'm afraid.
Good luck, Dad. It feels like a family.
That was worth every second of this.
Yes.
That right there. I mean, I've enjoyed it to begin with, but that was worth every goddamn second. Do you want me to go faster with her?
Go for it. Let's go.
Hey, we'll have to see what that guy.
Right, so I gotta play with the but I could see the rear end doing this again.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, right when she came through here.
yeah, I could see it bouncing. I was like, yeah.
That was awesome.
Hey, what do you guys
right
think
in
of
here.
Ollie?
Thank you, Ollie.
You're welcome.